Hello everybody! Welcome back to Satisfactory. JR Gaming here, working on our max Thermo Propulsion unit build. As you can see, we are loading up the game currently. Sorry we started a little bit late today, had some other stuff going on, but we're back. We missed last Thursday because I was getting ready for camping. We went camping this past weekend. I can tell you about that later. So we're just going to load up the game here, get it going, and see where we are. I've done a little bit of work since the last stream last week, and yeah, we'll go from there. It's loading. Not going to be a webcam today, just because I can do that, right? I think I can do that. Oh boy. I'm waiting on it. It is loading. Come on. It's just so much is loading in that it's just taking a while to get there. Oh, it's coming. Or it froze up on me. No, oh, there it goes. Hey, nice to see you again too. Alrighty. Back in the game. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Alright, we are over here at the copper factory right now. What was I doing over here? I forget what I was doing over here. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and head over to the whatchamacallit, the oil factory. Rubber / fuel factory. We'll see what's going on over there. Go, train, go. So I have everything piped in and trained in for the oil, except for the other 6 lines that we're going to need from the biome that is getting changed around in the next update. So I kind of left those for right now. This is what's going on with that. So the oil factory is running, but it's not 100% complete. We still got some like cosmetics to do on it and some other, making the fuel generators not float and all that fun stuff. So yeah, we're it's kind of my theme, kind of my thing, where I just say, you know what, I'm just gonna do some things and then I'll finish it up later. So towards the end, after we get everything running, we'll be able to let everything run and be able to stress test the whole system, and then finally get all the decorative touches done. I've slowly been chipping away at the nuclear power plant here, getting some things done here and there, but it's not complete yet. It's still got the rest of the building to build around it. It is functional. I think we finally solved our problem with the uranium nuclear waste backing up. So hopefully that problem is solved. We had a problem with the I better pay attention where I'm going. We're going to crash into a train. We had a problem with the high-speed connectors is what it came down to. The high-speed connectors weren't jiving up to their correct speed and causing some of the things not to flow through properly, and that caused us to have some problems. So now we're I think we're all set with that now, to be honest. It's been running for a good while now, and the nuclear power plant alone puts out about 380,000 megawatts of power, which isn't too terrible. I still gotta get rid of the rest of these trees on these tracks. The rest of the power is coming from these fuel generators here that we have just now powered up. Oh, I thought I was gonna miss the turn there. You can't see it, it's behind the tree. So yeah, I've done a little bit of decorating over here as far as the power plant goes. Or not the power plant, as far as the rubber dealio goes, but it's far from complete. Far from complete. I started putting some stairs in. Not 100% sure I like the look of that. Yeah. I don't know. I thought I was gonna like it, then I looked at it from afar and I was like, nah, I'm not really liking that. So we might change that up and make that work right. So all of these are pretty much running at full bore except for 6 rows of them because we are waiting to finish up the oil pipelines from the other biome that's coming in update 6. So if you don't know, I don't play experimental versions, which is why we are not on update 6, and yeah, as soon as that comes out on early access, we should be good to go. So I've ironed out all the problems as far as what is running here, and got the fuel generators running and no problems over there. As far as the rest of our oil being piped in, I still have to take out these platforms because I'm still not 100% sure if I need one more over there or not. But what we have going on over here is I got another pipeline there that's got a little bit of extra oil coming in from beyond the cliffs over there. And that's got a whopping 57 cubic meters per minute. A whopping, I know, seems like a lot. It is not a lot. Hello, lag. The rest of these 10 lines are filled and running. The trains seem to be holding up on their pace as far as getting the right amount of oil through to them. Yeah, I think that's it for that right now. So I have the train stations over here. We have 4 stations with was it 5 or 6? I think it's 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 whatever containers worth of rubber and 1 plastic one dealio right over there. We're gonna need that at some other point. So I need to pull up my spreadsheet so I can make sure we get the right amount going on, but I do believe I already did the math on this, and one of these trains, rubber to modular engines, no, rubber to cable. So we need all this rubber, 400 and something per minute out of 5, so that's a little over 2,000 rubber per minute. Ready on this train, ready to go wherever we choose to for the wire. Now, here's the kicker. What's the kicker? Where's my wire being made? Well, my wire being made over at the copper factory, opposite side of the map. So we got your rubber and wire. I have 2 750 lines of wire over here and 4 or 5 400 lines. So it's going to be easier to get the 2 750 lines over. Depending on where we're gonna do that. I'm thinking we compromise and bring both trains to here. You know, these transfer to here, and the wire transfers to here, and we can make our cable over there, which the cable, it's gonna be a dumb idea. Cable's gotta go over here. That's a dumb idea. Let's not do that. Is this train station being used? Probably. I would imagine that this one is being used. Blue Crater 1. I'd have to go to a station here. Here we go. Look, convenient, right here. Nailed it. If we go timetable, is there any... It's probably a copper. Yep. That's a copper line on that one, and that's oil on that station there. I could do a little train station off of that. What else do I have here? I think all my stations are being used, minus these and maybe one of these. I'm wondering if we should just... I didn't really plan this part out, did I? Well, let's figure it out. Maybe we can do... I have a slight idea. Maybe we can do the cable over about the high-speed connector factory. I just don't know how I'm going to get 5 stations over at that build. So let's go ahead and head over there and figure out if I can get 5 stations over on that build. Ooh, it's gonna be tricky. We're already using the 2 stations that are already built there. Yeah, that's that. Let's figure it out. Yeah, so anyway, so I went camping this past weekend. It was a good time. We go to the same place every year, up in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. It's always a good time. We have friends over. Not friends over, but we have friends with us. Like, it's a whole, like, friends and family camping trip kind of deal. Basically, whoever wants to come camping goes camping with us. We do it every year. It's a good plan. It's a good time. I love it up there. You know, there's no phone signals, no service on your phone, so you just turn off your phones, enjoy nature. It's very cool. There's a river right next to the campground, and the sites we picked were like literally like a 2-minute walk through the woods into the river, and we found this like nice spot we can sit in and have a few drinks and let the kids play in the water. The water was very nice. It was like 80 degrees out, so it was pretty. It wasn't super hot, but it was a little bit warm. Yeah, the kids had a good time. No crazy incidents. Usually we see some kind of animal activity up there, but we didn't really see much this year. I think last year or the year before we had some bears. We saw some bears, but this year we didn't. So, give me just one moment here. My wife just walked in the door. Alright. See, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. Camping was a fun time. No bears this time or anything like that. Alright, let's see here. Now, how can we sneak 5, essentially 6 train stations in here? Ugh. I could expand this out to make it work. That wouldn't be a terrible idea. Radiation. I don't like radiation. Or I could expand this one out. That's not so bad with radiation. I think expanding this one out is going to be a little bit better. I know we have all the steel pipes going through here, so I think it could be a more beneficial thing to expand this one out. Alright, let's grab you. Oops, zoop needs to be on. I also need to fix the time. I try to turn it off so we can have a constant time of day. That way we're not fighting through the darkness and all that stuff. So not only do I need to do... Well, I can do the 2 wire through the crazy bridge over there. I could do that. Oh, give me the power. There it is. Alright, train station. Alright, we're gonna have to delete this for right now. I know, this is gonna... Get some power over here. Alright, let's get this in here. We're gonna have to delete this. We're gonna do some fun train stuff. Yay. So we're not using that one. We can grab a train station here. And we need a minimum of 2... I think it's 1.5... Radiation. I think it's 1.5 spaces for the track to work. I usually like to do 2 frames, or yeah, foundations worth. Alright, come on. Get up there. Like so. So if I do a freight platform, do Hello? Hello? There it is. 5. Alright, now we just gotta get the tracks to work out. Which is always a fun challenge. 2, 3. Alright, let's grab this. Nope, we're gonna grab you. Give me 1 second. Alright, sorry, we're back. Alright. Grab a track here. And... whoa, whoa, whoa. Give me the power. We need to come... ah! I really need to... keep the power over here so I can hover. Alright, and we need to line up with you. That's not gonna be fun. Too sharp a turn. I'll show you too sharp of a turn. There we go. Come on. Maybe that's not the right angle to go at. Give me a rail. I'm trying to think of what's the right spacing to put this at. Is it here? Yes. Like so. Okay. And then this one can go right there. And then we connect this rail back up over here. And then we have fun times. Track signals always get me. And radiation always gets me. Move closer away from that. Alright, let's grab, so you need a block signal here. Interesting. Yes, I know steel pipe. Oh, you know what? I think it's because the track isn't connected up here. Track connected up here. Okay. That fixed the one train that wasn't happy. Did it fix this? No, that signal's not happy either. Change you to a path signal. Yeah. That works. Okay. Nailed it. I think that was it. Right, we need to get the power lines out of there. Where's that power line? No, come here. Okay, let's get down here. Put on the... oh. Put on the radiation suit. Can I... thank you. I wasn't moving for a second there. Alrighty. Now that we got the station figured out here, we need to get the rest of it figured out. And of course, all these are running right through where I need it to be. Naturally. That's what I like. Oh, I can't wait till update 6 and you can put on more than one thing. No news as far as when that's coming out yet. I wish I knew. Unless you guys have some inside information. But as far as I know, I haven't seen anything. Let's see here. I thought it wasn't had power for a second. I thought I didn't have power there for a second. I was like, oh crap, here we go. Alright, let's get rid of these. I'm gonna keep that one. That look dumb? Yeah, that looks dumb. Let's get rid of these. Could have swore I've destroyed these trees already before. I'm not sure why they keep coming back. Oh, you're gonna be that way, huh? Got it. I'll show you. Alright, so we need to fix these pipes. We need to fix these belts for the steel pipes, and then we're gonna have to belt in. I keep saying pipe for some reason because I'm looking at these steel pipes and I keep wanting to say pipe in. We need to belt in the rubber for the cable. Does that make sense? Let's come over here and grab you. Get rid of these. And we can get rid of these. Okay. Now, if we're going to do this, I think I'm doing this the right way. Not yet, we'll see. Go. Come on. Okay. We need it to come. Oh boy. Power. Can I reach it? No, I can't reach it. Got you. Too long. No. Alright. I don't need to go that far out. Okay. If we bring of course. Let's bring these lines closer. Nope. Okay. We're gonna end here. On this one, I'm guessing. Yes. Yes. Oh, come on. That's a bummer. Well, let's make it work. It's gonna be just on the outside of that one, huh? I'm guessing that'll work. Up to it, thank you. Really? Thank you, yes. Alright. Not perfect. We'll fix later. Alright, let's grab another foundation. We'll get this set up with some bins for the rubber. Let's grab you. probably right there. Oop, almost missed that one. That was wrong. I didn't mean to click that. Radiation. And the fifth one. Alright. Now my thoughts are kinda, let's put the cable manufacturing kinda down below, sitting over here. I think that would be fine. I have to get my numbers sheet and pull up how much I'm gonna need. But these should be only about 400 per minute, a little over 400 per minute. I'd have to go and check, see what my actual factories are running at, but we'll go with that. So if that's the case, we're going to need to bring these 5 lines somewhere where it's not going to look stupid and out of place. Let's get rid of some of these. We don't need all these. Probably needed that one. If only it was 4 lines, we could do it. What is my numbers over there? I mean, I can merge and split these to make it only 4 lines. That is a possibility. I'm gonna fix that. It's really bugging me. I think it's just gonna get too confusing if I try to do that, though. And I'm not trying to confuse myself anymore. I've already done enough of that. Let's go ahead and drag you. Just cover this up for right now. Oh, what is there? Oh, there's things there. Oh, those can be moved. No problem. Not a big deal. Main thing is going to be figure out how much assemblers we're going to need. And then we can kind of lay this out a little bit better. So I'm pretty sure that recipe is an assembler. I think it's just the normal cable recipe, in all honesty. I might be wrong, but production assembler. Let me say here, wire cable. It's not the quick wire one. It is the alternate insulated cable. Okay. 45 wire and 30 rubber per minute. All right. I'm gonna have to get my Excel sheet here. Excelsior. Excuse the black screen while I pull up the Excel sheet. Okay. I could throw it on the screen for you if you really want me to. What do we need here? Do I have the cable number pulled up? I got 1377 wire. Crap, I don't have it added up. Plastic, rubbered heat sinks. Alright, 3060. No. Rubbered modular frames. Alright, so our number is 3060. Alright, I apologize for Excel math times. Excuse the black screen again. Here we go. So if we do the alternate insulated cable and we overclock that 250. 3060 divided by 250. 13, give or take, assemblers. That's easy peasy. I am not worried about that at all. So 13 assemblers. We'll just throw down these foundations right now just to get the base layer done. Did I put that in the wrong... Oh, hello. That was in the wrong one. There we go. Of course, naturally, it's going to be a little bit difficult getting all the belt numbers right, but we'll get there. Let's get, and we'll fix this, obviously. Go away, nature. There we go. What? Thank you. Sometimes I click the buttons too fast and I just, you know, randomly pick a bunch of different things. Alright. So assembler maxed out, 3060 is what we need total number. And let's give ourselves some space here. A little bit more space. I do 2 on that side. Blech. Can I have some power? Can I have some power so I can float? I like to float. Just temporarily grab this. Alright, what's this gonna look like if I try to put these up against each other? So, here's the thing. I got 250 and 250, that's 500. One more. That's 750. Let's think of... I never changed the time of day thing. Did I? I did not. Let's do that. Alright, so the only reason I use this cheat mod is for the time of day and for getting our power shards. Alright. Let's grab that. And that. How close can I get these? What if I do... Would it clip into that if I left it like that? Let's check. Assembler. Nope. We did something like that, and then we replaced the... Well, that... Oh, it doesn't work that way. I was thinking hold control like a wall, you know? If we do a frame floor... And then we do another frame floor... And another frame floor. Obviously support it, don't let it float, you know, that kind of stuff. Could we do something like that? And let me just get rid of this one. Can put a merger. I'm not gonna have enough space for that if I try this, honestly. No, there's no way I'd have no space for that. I was trying to see if I can fit it, but that's not gonna work. Unless I do something real weird. Put, hear me out here, we're not gonna leave this. Grab these out of the way. If we do a merger, here, oh, that cuts into that. Am I gonna hate it? Yeah, that's a moving part. That part moves on the assembler. My idea was to do something like this. I could still do it above that. So if we do it above it, in a way, what? Oh, I was actually physically standing on that platform. I didn't think I was. Because if I have an assembler over here on this side, it's still too close. I'm gonna have to extend this all out by one platform. Alright, so this isn't gonna work. We'll have to go out one more. Not delete you. There we go. Assembler. And then theoretically I could do something like that now. Like that. Oh man. Hold on, let's see. Technically it works. Hold on. Those are not straight at all. Do they clip? An acceptable clip? Is that acceptable? Maybe. And then if we do a dealio, come on, go up. I did here. Yeah, just go away. Here. And then I did the frame floors. Although I'm probably gonna have to set the foundations down first and then delete the foundations. I don't know if it'll let me set an assembler on that. I know you're still floating. We'll make you not float. Okay. Like that. Belting the rest of these in is going to be a nightmare. Let me just get this started. I should have started with the harder one. That would have been smart, but hey, why not? Grab that one. And then I did it at that height. I'm gonna have to do it at that height. Just to keep my height differences all the same. The spacing between all the assemblers. Alright, let's get rid of these. And then we do this. Did I put, no, I moved it. Darn it. That's a 270 belt. Okay. And then we can, you know, push these through the floor or whatever. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12, and then one odd one off to the side, or maybe like one more tower that doesn't do so much at the same time. Okay. Now, splitters. Just for right now, we'll do this. Grab you. I should have done the splitter first before I did these. We don't necessarily need another splitter. I'm gonna have to get the math and check this. Might end up with some weird numbers here. Okay. General idea? No? I don't like this one sticking out like that. I don't really have a choice though. If I can get these to jive the way I want them to. Yeah, it's not really jiving the way I want it to, you know what I mean? The only way to really make it look how I want, maybe? Let's try a different way here. Get rid of these. Something like this. I know it doesn't look like I did much. Other than the reverse where those were going, but I like the look of that better rather than sticking out of the top. And then obviously we can change these to the frame floors. Can I get that foundation underneath of it? Well, let's already get a frame floor there. We can talk. And then we can kind of make this its own little, like, framed-in box. We do frame walls. Like so. Inside one. Come on, stay there. There we go. Alright. So we do its own little framed in box deal. Alright, so if we do that, let's figure out our numbers real quick here. Insulated cable. So 30 times 2.5, that's 60 plus 15, 75, right? 30 times 2.5, yep, that's 75 times 3, so we need 225 rubber per minute per we're gonna put a sign here. That way I don't forget. Let's grab layout. Select image, rubber. Text 225. Needed. Okay. Let's go ahead and copy those sign settings. And then going back to our recipe, what was it? So 45 times 2.5 times 3, 337.5. Paste wire 337.5. Alright. For each one of those. Okay. Which isn't too terrible. I think we can figure that out. I'm kind of liking this. It's a little bit taller than I was hoping for, but it's not terrible. I think I'd have to build the rest of them to see if it's actually going to work out very well or not. This factory is getting a little bigger than I was anticipating, but that's fine. It's no biggie. We got in here circuit boards on this one. Circuit boards. Alright. Question is, do I want to bring this all the way down? Yeah, I don't like that. Cutting through the middle of that. I can do one there. One there. You gonna... No? I know you're there. Oh, it's going right through the belt. That's what my problem is. Let's get rid of you and you. Okay. Does that make sense? That does. And then we'll just do another frame floor right on top here to complete the box look. And this floor. Go. Delete the foundation. Come on. Okay. There. Yes, no, maybe so. From afar, it looks really cool. I like it from afar. And this will give us 250, 750 per minute out of each side here. 750 cable per minute. And we can run these underneath. Figure out where that has to go. Right there, maybe? Yep. Alright. There. So we can do that, and we can do like a little walkway right through the middle here. And we'll see all the parts coming down, see all the parts going up through it, through the frames. I'm liking it. I'm digging it. I can do this. Alright. Is that the right spot? Yes, it is. Alright. It's probably too wide, but that's okay. Put it, yes, yep, right there. Alright, 3, 6, 9, 12. Because we needed 13 of these total, 13 assemblers. Hello. Slipped in behind the wall there. Sneaky sneak. Need one more floor in the right spot. Yes, this side too. We need one more over here. Hey. Oh, I thought I clicked somewhere over there. Okay, perfect. Let's see what else we have going on here. Oh, I apologize. I clicked off of the screen. Please hold. There it is. Alright. If I can remember what I was doing on the other side, we can get this all set up. We don't need splitters for there. That's a merger anyways. How do I do it? Okay, facing this way at first. And that was in the wrong spot. Try it again. That way. Ah, come on. We don't need much for this. Depending on what's going to be, let's do, what was it, 65 and 120 or something like that? So we'll do Mark II belts. I need to get power figured out. And for these, we don't need much. We'll keep those at Mark V's. Okay. The merger all set up. These are 250. I only need Mark 3 belts on these guys. So I like to keep the belts at the correct speed. I just think it looks better. Get rid of that. And that. And all of these. Start to get rid of these two as well, might as well. We might put some of these back. It might be... Gotta figure out where that 13th assembler is gonna go. For right now, we can do that. Hello. Okay. Face it out. I think that's what I did, yep. Make sure I got these connected up. I don't know if I did this one or not. Shoot. I did. Crap. We're gonna have to redo this. Get out of here. Lift Mark 3 goes to that one and that one. Okay. Simple enough. Did I do that one already? I hope I did. We'll find out if we ever get this thing running today. Okay. Just get the splitters set up. Get these foundations out and get the frames in there. Recipe set. Yeah. And we just gotta belt everything over. Alright. 6. That. Okay, grab you. This one, duh. And get these splitters set up. This. Hello, that was weird shapes. that. And this one. Okay. Logistics-wise, that's set up. Did I do my math right? I don't think I did. 750 times 4. No, that's 3,000. So we just need 60 more, 60-ish more, and that'll get all of our cable done. I like it. Alright, let's get rid of these foundations. Didn't think I grabbed that one. Ooh, autosave coming up. Alright, so let me let autosave do its thing, and then I'm gonna grab something to drink. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, what are we doing? Oh, deleting these foundations. And we just have floating assemblers. Just kidding, we're not going to do that. I could have spaced them out a little bit more, but I think it'll be fine like they are now. Granted, if I spaced them out a little bit more, they would have looked like their own little boxes instead of like one bigger box, but I'm not super concerned about it. Get rid of all those. Nope. Get rid of the one in the middle there. Get rid of all these foundations. Okay, nailed it. I sounded like really annoyed there, didn't I? Okay. I'm really not annoyed. It just sounded funny. Four and 5. All right. The rest of these. How high up did I go? Right there. Perfect. So as far as the 750, well, the 2 lines of 750 of the wire, it's going to be a little bit more challenging. I don't really have any extra train stations. I could build one, again. I'm not looking to build more train stations over there by the copper factory. Or I can belt it over with our bridge. Not so sure I want to do that if I can talk. It's only 10 o'clock. Hasn't been that long. I think the easiest option is to belt it. No, I'm sorry. Is to train it. Use the trains to get it to go over. That's the easiest option. That's going to be less work in the long run. I'm not sure if I'm going to like the look of it though in the long run. Can I please get something here? I'm just trying to think if I have space over where that factory is to make the train station. I can, again, I have like the whole map to do. I'm just looks wise and, you know, quote unquote logistics speaking wise, I'm not sure if I have the space for it or not. It's something to be looked into. I'm missing a floor here. There we go. Okay, I know it just looks like a framed-in mess, but it functions. Okay. What are we thinking? Yay, nay? Maybe so? Well, the one looked fine. Now they got all of them looking like that? I'm not sure how much I really like it. Not so sure about it now. Why? Okay. I feel like it would be way better if we moved this over one space and separated them more instead of it being one big mess. I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna look way better. Also, I'm deleting a bunch of tracks over there, or a bunch of stuff I don't want to delete over here. I honestly think that's gonna look way better. I know it seems like a lot of work, but it's not that much work, to be honest. I mean, we literally whipped that up in like, you know, half an hour. That whole thing. Alright, let's go ahead and just get these fixed up. Just gotta be careful. I don't want to accidentally delete something I've already worked on. That doesn't need to be deleted. Like things with the high-speed connectors. Ugh. I hate the high-speed connector assembly line. It's fairly rough. We've been working on it for hours. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, it's been a long time since we worked on something else besides things for high-speed connectors. Granted, we did do a lot of rubber stuff the last few streams, but that was because we needed it for the high-speed connectors. I like using these frames, but mass deleting them is not fun. Not something I recommend. Oh, come on. Alright. I think that's most of the stuff out of the way that we needed. Let's give it a space in between this time. In the wrong spot. That's a good idea. Let's try that again. Those. It's like, no way that's lining up the right spot. Yeah, it's not. That's where that's gonna go. Alright. Gonna have to do all these over again? Dang it, that sucks. I thought I can get away with just putting the foundations down over top of those frames, but it's not gonna work, obviously. Okay. Come on, get the right spot. There we go. A lot of building and deleting today. Yes. Splitter. Splitter. Well, why would you do that? Yes. Okay. My hand's starting to fall asleep. Get rid of these foundations. And those. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna look much better being their own separate boxes. You know, it's like their own separate little, like, mini factories. Yeah, don't leave one there. Alright, let's get the merger. Merger. This one goes to that side. There we go. Finish up this box. Maybe. Ah, no power. Okay. Oh, I gotta put the frame floor on this one. And the mergers. This one went to the lower one. And you went to the upper one. And I don't want the frames in the middle clipping. There. That side's done. Get rid of you. There are splitters going. Splitter. Yes. Okay. Come on, click it. Click it, click it. There we go. Too far. There it is. Alright. Let's grab a frame floor. Okay. Oh, power. Come on, get there. There we go. And more frame floors. Give it to me. Two, three. Apologize, my hand is still falling asleep. And I need something to drink. Nope. Ah! Where's my power? Okay. Get the little in between. Oh, we gotta get these guys in. And then we can do the little in-between pieces. And always the most difficult one here. I don't understand why we... Oh. There it is. That's what I wanted. Okay. Now let's take a step back and see what it looks like. Hopefully much better. Alright, so it's not 100% the look I'm going for, but it's not the worst look. Does it match the rest of this build? Let me just quickly turn fog off. It doesn't really match the rest of this building. We're gonna have to fix that somehow. Alright, we turn fog back on. Okay. Sweet, we need 225 parts per minute on each one of these. Forgot the walls here. For the rubber, at least. So how are we bringing the rubber over? Well, let's think about this. If I need 4 belts of rubber, plus a little bit of overflow, if I split one of these, and then I split it again, I can flow here without the radiation, right? Alright, so if we do two, three, four of those. That splits the 5th one evenly. We merge them with these. If I do a merger there, I can do a merger here. And yes, another merger here. I just put these out here so I can see what's going on here. Which one are you? Steel pipes, okay. Sorry, I get a little nervous. Sometimes it's like, oh, the uranium train is coming by. Better hide. Alright, so theoretically, that's 4 lines, 4 even lines. I'm trying to remember what my number is for my, I think it's like 441. So that's like 110 plus 440 is 500. Okay, yeah, that should be fine. Whew. I believe that's what I needed. Guess we'll find out, right? Alright, let's grab, just so I can see. If this is going to be a terrible idea or not. I can't do that. That's going to look dumb. I was thinking I can finagle it down like that, but it's not going to work out very well for me. thinking we do them all over here. Sorry, I'm being quiet. I think we'll upgrade the belt too after this point. Okay. For now, do that. We'll definitely have to clean up this train station later. Alrighty. That's not gonna work at all, is it? Oh, of course not. Why would you? No. Jeez. Why is that off so weird? Why can't I snap that to a certain point? Oh, are we doing weird things again, game? Oh, I love game when it does weird things. It's snapping in weird points, and I don't like it. It doesn't make sense why it snaps in weird points. It shouldn't. Don't know why you're doing what you're doing. Oh, this is in a weird spot. Why is that in a weird spot? Wait a minute, what happened here? Oh, I see what happened. Okay, that makes more sense now. I'm just a big dum-dum. This... This foundation is lined up with those foundations over there. And this one's lined up with these in a weird offset. Not sure what that offset is, but that's why we're getting weird snap points. Okay. Fair enough. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Thank you. Okay. Just trying to think here. 2, 3, 4. It's just gonna be some weird looking belts at first here, that's all it is. Okay, that's figured out. That's what I gotta do for the rest of these 4. The rest of these 3. That was wrong. Okay. And this guy. And this one. And this one. Alrighty. Pull through the middle here. Place this belt. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. I don't know why I was worried. You were worried, not me. Ooh, missed. Oh, it's so close. Conveyor belt's too long. I got denied there. That should have fit. Alright, let's get this fixed up. So if I went... Crap, I should have left the pole there. Is that one straight? I think it is. You just can't tell if if like there's the non-straight ones and the straight ones right next to each other, you wouldn't be able to tell. It would definitely still look curved. That looks way better. It only took like 3 seconds to figure that out. Oh no, that was wrong. I was like, wait a minute. And... oh, I didn't put this conveyor pole down. Ah, dang it. Looks like it's spaced weird, that's all. Maybe? I don't know, really weird. Whatever. It works. It fits. Floating pole. Oh boy. This will be the fun part, getting all these lined up. Oh yeah. That's not even on a thing. Nope. Alright. There's all those. Wrong direction. Three and 4. Alright, so let's put these belts in and we'll get the train started. That's not gonna fit, obviously. Alright, there we go. I need to rename this station here. What is this? I can't read it. West Dune Forest 1, West Dune Forest 2, West Dune Forest 3. Alright, timetable. Rubber to cable. West Dune Forest 3. I need to put a period in there. Save changes. Turn you on. Table. Alright. That guy has started up. Where is he? Is that the one? Is that it right there? It's probably loading up. Alright. Gotta set these to unload. Hover pack. That's what I want. Alright, now it's just going to be a little bit of a process to get these belts done, but it's no biggie. I can figure it out. Come on. Do it. Oh, yes. Got it. Okay. We're gonna stop right there. Yes. Okay. Let's just leave these deleted for right now. Let's grab... Hold on now. What do I want? I guess we'll go with this wall down. Let's not go with that wall down. That one's a little bit closer. Sorry, I'm just trying to get it lined up properly. I think we'll go with that one. Oh, come on, give me the right roll here. Just delete them all. Okay. Just looking here, just getting it lined up, that's all. Just about there. I know I still have to put the recipe inside of all the assemblers. That's no biggie. Excuse me. Change that one. Figure out which one it's gonna work on. Okay. That one. Okay. That should be everything. And our rubber is already here. Amazing. That was actually a lot quicker than I thought. I mean, I have been working on this for a minute, but... Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Alright, well, rubber's here. We gotta put the recipes inside of the assemblers, get that all set up, get the power to all these assemblers, belt those 4 over, and then get the... I say it like it's like nothing, like we have nothing to do. Compared to the rest of some of the stuff we have to do, yes, it's like nothing. Ooh, and... we need to get the wire belted over here or brought over here somehow. So I think that's gonna have to hold off. I might get that done outside of here. Otherwise, we'll do it in the next stream. We'll see how much time I have. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for us today. So if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. You guys can see more. You can get notifications of when I go live. I usually go live Tuesdays and Thursdays, 8:30 to 11. You know, barring live. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for us. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.